10 years old, my daddy bought a new flagpole, and I helped him put it up in our front yard. As we raised the flag for the first time, I saw a tear in my daddy's eye as he stared at all the stripes and pretty stars. While we shared that moment, he explained to me what the flag means to our family. It's about our freedom. Oh, freedom. So many died just so we could live with our freedom, precious freedom. Listen real close, you can hear them in the wind. Yeah, they gave their lives, and I'm sure they'd do it again. Here I am, 20 years gone by, a mountain sun and a tear in my eye, watching him, watching me, trying to understand. Son, everything will be alright. This isn't sadness, this is about pride, and everything it took for us to keep this land. This is putting my arm around him, I believe he knows exactly what it means to have freedom.